Limitless. Endless possibilities here on Orthello Way. You got expansion room, room to invest, or just enjoy a lot. Santa Clara's updated ADU regulations allow for the addition of a detached ADU up to 1,200 square feet on lots over 5,500 square feet. So good thing we're over 12,000 square feet at your disposal. This property is prime for such an expansion. So you're working with a little more dated 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no en-suites. The way to make this rear-facing bedroom an ensuite is take this door, bump it out here in the hallway, drywall over right here, and then as you come in to the ensuite, you could cut the door here and make this the entrance to the bathroom. Now you have an ensuite. So we are this close to Apple, Google, Nvidia, all the major tech employers here. Central Santa Clara, come check it out.